Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're shining a light on a fantastic product that not only helps you create beautiful jewelry but also raises awareness for an incredibly important cause. We're talking about the 100 Pieces Breast Cancer Awareness Themed Beads by BuleVina. These delightful beads are a perfect choice for anyone looking to combine creativity with a meaningful message. Let's dive in. These charming beads feature vibrant colors, specifically light pink and pink, each representing hope and support for those affected by breast cancer. Each bead is adorned with special pink ribbon prints, which adds an extra layer of beauty and significance to your creations. Measuring at about 0.35 inches in diameter, these beads are just the right size for a variety of jewelry projects, whether you're making necklaces, bracelets, or even earrings. Crafted from high-quality polymer clay, these beads are not only soft and lightweight but also durable, ensuring that your jewelry maintains its vibrant look over time. The tiny holes, with a diameter of 0.039 inches, make it easy to thread them with your favorite cords or ropes. So, whether you're an experienced jewelry maker or just starting, you'll find these beads incredibly user-friendly. One of the best things about these beads is their versatility. You can use them to create stunning jewelry pieces for yourself, or even as thoughtful gifts for friends and family. Imagine gifting a beautiful bracelet made from these beads to a loved one who is a breast cancer survivor or someone currently fighting the battle. It's a personal and heartfelt gesture that truly conveys support and love. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. From crafting garlands for awareness events to making stylish accessories, these beads allow you to express your creativity while promoting an essential cause. Plus, with a total of 100 pieces in this set, you have plenty of beads to work with, making it perfect for larger projects or multiple pieces. At just $8.99, which breaks down to about 9 cents per bead, this set offers great value for anyone passionate about jewelry making and supporting breast cancer awareness. Plus, with the convenience of ordering through Amazon, you can easily get your hands on these beads and start crafting right away. So, if you're looking to make a statement with your jewelry while supporting an important cause, look no further than the BuleVina Breast Cancer Awareness Beads. Be sure to check out the link in the description below to grab your set today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fantastic product reviews. Until next time, happy crafting!